Welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about a new camera. I hinted about this in my last video, but now it has arrived and it is finally here, and I'm actually really excited about this. So let's get into unboxing it. I haven't done a actual unboxing opening in quite some time, so we're gonna get the Benchmade Adamas, one of the best, to open up one of the best cameras I've gotten. Wow, okay. The packing starting off, like, come on. Packing peanuts, bubble wrap. Bravo! I got this from Camera Warehouse. I wasn't sure about them at first, but like, I haven't seen packing peanuts used in a parcel in a long time. So thank you. Okay. Might have just spoiled what it was, but if you don't know what that is, let me give you a better look. We banter. Alright, so this is the beautiful Insta360 X4 8K 360 degree action camera. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, let's get this plastic off. Nah, that... Look how sick that looks when you open it. So this is what comes in the box. Like, pretty dope. And this is it. Wow. That's actually awesome. Okay. Alright, and then you got your little like thing to take out here. Now what's gonna be in this? Shall we see? So it looks like this is just going to be user manuals and stuff. I'm getting Apple vibes from the way this is like set out and everything. Ooh, okay, these are good. These are your little lens caps. You definitely need these on. So you got like your little tape that's on there. Just grab the little blue tab and peel it off. Sorry, I'm not really talking right now because I am actually just kind of blown away with how actually like cool this is. And like, it feels freaking solid in my hand. Like, it feels solid. Okay, so that's the battery. And then that's the SD card slot. Wonderful. Oh yeah, so that must be the USB-C charging port underneath there. So yeah, USB-C charging port. So when you first put these lens caps on, make sure you fully turn them till they lock. You'll feel them go. So make sure you do that. And you got a little thing on the bottom there, your little like stick. That's pretty cool. Let's turn it on. First time starting it up. English. Download the Insta 360 app. I sure will. Don't you worry. So while that's loading, let's go through some of the stats, shall we? So it's 8K 30 FPS, which is absolutely amazing. Like, that is insane. 8K even at 30 FPS, that is insane. 5.7K at 60 FPS. And then 4K at 100 frames per second slow motion. Oh, that is insane. That's actually insane. It has like gesture controls, stuff like that. Has single lens mode, so it can just do like your normal 180 degree stuff. It has 11K time lapse. 135 minutes on the battery. That's probably going to be like the lowest setting. But you can't be mad at that. 135 minutes. That's a lot of record time. If you have 2 or 3 of these batteries, you can record for like 4 hours. That's pretty cool. It's 10 meters waterproof. It does recommend, I did read, it recommends you using the waterproof case if you are going to be even just swimming in light water with it. I think that's just to make sure you're getting the footage that you want and it's not going to be weird, or it's not going to come out like the water got underneath the lens guards and made it look all bubbly. I think it's just to guarantee that it's going to look good and your camera will be safe at the end. Which, you know what, that is okay. I would prefer the extra caution than being like, oh yeah, you're good to go, and then you hop in the water and your camera's gone. So get the waterproof case. It looks cool, and hey, it's only like, I think it's only $100 and something more. So if you're already spending, some of these can be up to $1,000 on this, then you can probably afford like a few extra $100 just to guarantee it's going to be okay in the water. It has its own app and invisible selfie stick feature. That is what we have here. That led into a really nice way to introduce it, and I also forgot about it. So let's open this bad boy up. Everything is packed just so well. Like, it's just a stick, but they pack it with so much care. It's actually amazing. Like, alright, so this is the one I went with. Push. Oh no, that's awesome. I really like that. Oh my god, that's actually sick. Okay, so then I'm guessing to close it, you just kind of, oh yeah, and then it'll click. No, that's actually awesome. So you just push and then pull, and then that goes on to there. Now, how do I get it to extend? Because I know this one does extend. Oh. Oh my. Oh. How big is it? Oh. Is that it? Is that the full length? Hey, you know what? That's not bad. Because if you're also, remember, you're holding that out, arms like. Okay, why did I feel like that was the Spaceballs intro? And that just... Okay, I'm having too much fun with this. So you just push that back in, but I just... No, we're doing that again. Can we close it? Yes. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, that's actually really cool. I'm very impressed so far with everything. I'm probably going to go into now actually shooting on the camera and figuring out the settings on it. So yeah, I will meet you back here by the end. It's time for me to go and fiddle with it and see what I can get up to. So I'll be right back. Okay, wait. Cut. Okay, before we go away, I didn't open everything. I'm sorry. It comes with a case, bro. No, that's actually awesome. Oh, there's the charger. It's a USB-C to USB-C. That's good because that's what everything is nowadays. Oh, a lens cloth. I have these microfiber cloths everywhere. Thermo grip cover. Ayo. Oh. What's this for? Look at that. It's like a little like plastic cover that goes over it. Oh, that is genius. No, Insta 360 are on a different level, bro. They're on a different level. So, what I just read. Pause. No music. Nothing. Silence. The thermal grip cover. Okay, so firstly, I'll summarize this one. When you record in 8K, it heats the camera up and can be uncomfortable to hold. So, you know where this is going, but I'm still excited. So, the thermal grip cover reduces the surface temperature and makes the camera more comfortable to hold when recording in 8K for a long time. Genius. That's actually genius. No, I'm actually in love right now. Because I want to be filming in 8K. So you put it on the side that doesn't have the screen. And because it's going to get hot, that thermal cover is going to make it so when you hold it, your hand ain't burning. Whole other level, bro. That is insane. No, you know what? Insta 360 is my #1 camera company now. I'm just putting it out there. Like, this pouch has spots for your batteries, like your SD cards, the camera itself. Like, you don't get this level of love from anywhere else. Anyway, we're gonna go outside and we're gonna test it. I'll see you out there. We now have a designated kiddie cam. Kitty cam. Now, I don't know how this audio sounds, but it's a bit of like an audio test. We're gonna see what it looks like outside. So come with me. Kitty's gonna come with. At least now I can do more stupid stuff. You see, I feel like this is more appropriate out in public instead of having a giant lens with a lens cap, lens filter, with a backpack with like extra batteries and stuff. Like, if I'm carrying batteries, it'll be in that little pouch. Like, that's so cool. Come on, kitty, come out. Oh wait, I don't even have to turn the camera around. No, that's actually... Just put on the first pair of thumbs up. Let's just walk out. This is in 8K 30 FPS, by the way. So this should look amazing. Apparently on the preview, it doesn't look as good. Apparently. But from what I can see, it looks crisp. So I'm thinking I'm going to try and do something with this today. I think that might be the plan. I think I'm going to charge the battery and we're gonna go out. Kitty's gonna be staying here though. I turned the camera around expecting not to have to do that. That's gonna take a lot of getting used to. Now I don't know how the audio sounds, but a lot of the time you can tweak audio in your after production. This is 8K in the low light. It does recommend that every time you go into low light to swap back to 5.7K. I'm pretty sure this should have some type of a night mode. But yeah, well, this is my actual recording setup. I don't think I've ever properly shown it. The camera, I better turn that off. We're wasting battery. So I think from now on, I'm going to be filming a lot on this, depending on how the audio is and how I can edit it. But especially out in public, if I'm vlogging, because one of my biggest insecurities and issues with vlogging in public is the size of the camera and holding up a full-size camera, usually with a tripod. People think you just look like an arrogant prick, but really you're just trying to vlog and just create something fun and entertaining, but people don't see it that way. This is with my lighting setup. I'm excited. We're gonna do a lot with this. A lot. We're gonna do some cool stuff. So get pumped. Excuse me? That's not my cat. Pause. I protected your turf. I think I've got brownie points with my cat now. Alright. Peace out. See you soon. First thing I'm noticing is on cloudy days it's really struggling with the exposure of the clouds, like balancing it to everything else. It's really struggling with Wonder how the noise reduction is on the wind.
Yeah.
Because usually with action cameras in the wind, they struggle. The other time you've been on my channel was when we did beach day, and I think the only time you were in that was when you got slammed by the wave. I think I just realised that. That's the only other time you've been on my channel was when you got slammed by the wave. Whoops. My bad. Thank you all for coming out and watching. It started off as a simple opening, and I felt like the more I kept going, the more I was like overwhelmed and blown away. I still haven't cleaned up my mess that's here. I'm just so excited to like play with this camera. So thank you all for coming out and watching. I hope you enjoyed the cool shots I just got with it. I'm gonna have to fiddle with the app and get it to work to a good point, learn how to use it, and then I'm gonna start making vlogs and everything. I've already got some awesome stuff planned for this year, as I keep saying, and I literally mean I actually have awesome stuff planned for this year. So stick around, and please consider liking, subscribing, you know, doing all that stuff, commenting, everything. Thank you all for coming out and watching, and I will catch you on the next one.